the little birdie's progress. I think this is day 4 of the Sparrow Diaries. I gotta think here. He came to me Monday night at about 8:30 p.m. and it is Friday, close to 8 p.m. now. So, yeah, he's been with us for 4 full days, and this would be the 5th night, I guess. He's quite active. We just got done with the feeding, and he's gone to the bathroom, and I changed out his... Oh, he's getting, so he's trying to... He's so active now, he wants to get right out of his cage. Or not his cage, but his little makeshift nest. All right, all right. It's hard. He's making it a little hard to film. Okay, okay. You need to go back in there. No, no, no. No, we're not going to fly. I didn't want him to get hurt. I'm putting him back in his thing because he is like wanting to teeter over the edge of this little makeshift nest, and I can just see him jumping out, which I don't want him to jump out from a high place. All right, see if you can get back in there, little guy. Oh my, well, I don't think he wants to, so we'll just cover him up right here where he's at then. Guess he's going to be in the edge, on the edge of this. Well, he knows what he wants to do. We'll cut this video short. I'm trying to film him today, but it's been a little bit of a challenge.